So first you're going to take some crafts foam and cut it in half. This is how I like to measure it, by putting it with my boot. Next you're going to sketch out the Triforce in the middle, and you're going to cut the shape out and glue it onto another layer of crafts foam. And you'll also want to obviously repeat the process with the other sheet of crafts foam. Next you want to pin it to your boot like I'm doing for some reason. And you're gonna cut out the fabric that goes on the boot. I'm using crafts foam and I'm painting it because I didn't have the right fabric color, so I decided to use crafts foam. So next I'm painting my crafts foam gray with face paint. I wanted to use silver, but the store's been out of silver and there's something wrong with both my silver face paint and the acrylic. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to paint it gray, and you can't tell that well on camera, but I'm covering it in sparkly eyeshadow to make it look silver. And then I'm lightly coating it with Mod Podge very carefully so the glitter stays. Next I'm sketching out the sole, I think it's what it's called. And I'm gluing it onto the foot part of the boot. And you want to tie it down with a rubber band or something, like I'll do in just a minute. Next you want to glue the fabric, quote unquote, into your boot, and you want to pin it so it stays while it dries. And that is how you make your Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild Zelda boots. If I've skipped over anything in this video, let me know in the comments. And that is it for a while. I might be getting back to doing Zelda crowns maybe next week, but I can't really promise. And I have a convention coming up in a month. So, I'll see you next time. Bye.